This video is going to be a little bit different than some of my other videos in that it is a multi-app video, and it's not just a standard thing for you to know about how to use that app. It's sort of a trick or a hack for Google Photos and any other Google file type. So let's say you wanted to make something and you wanted to maybe add in a collage or add in a lot of different images into something. Right now I'm in a Google drawing. You can do it in any, you can do it in a form, you can do it in a docs, you can do it in slides, but you want to add pictures. So when you go to insert images, you notice that your albums is something that comes up. When I click on my albums, it shows me the albums that I have associated with my Google account. This is handy because, I might say, well, I want to put in some pictures of my car. I'm going to click in that album and that will show me the pictures that show up in that album. Now, you may find yourself with hundreds and hundreds of photos, and searching for the particular one isn't the most efficient way to do this from within Drawings or the other Google file. So I wanted to show you how you can set up an album in Photos that will allow you to insert them a lot more quickly. I'm going to go into Photos, and I am going to go into, well, you can look at your photos from here, or you can look at photos that you have saved in your album. I'm going to go into this one. It doesn't matter where you do this, whether it's from Photos or whether it's in a particular album, but you can select lots of pictures. So I want to select multiple pictures. You can hold Shift to select a whole bunch of them at once, or you can select them one by making sure you have the check mark selected. Now up at the top, whether you're in Photos or whether you're in Albums, you can see the plus button. So it says Add To, and I'm going to add it to an album. So in this case, I'm going to create a new album. I'm going to call it All About Me, since that's what my drawing was called. So what that did was it just made me a new album. So you can see it's going to show up in my albums. There it is right there. And I can continue to add things to my album. Here I'm going to add this to my album as well. I'm going to go to the plus. I'm going to add it to an album. I'm going to add it to All About Me. So that means all of those pictures are in that particular album. Now, when I go over into my drawing or whatever file I want to add those images into, if I go to Insert and I'm going to go off that, I'm going to go back to My Albums, you'll see that All About Me shows up. So this allows me to quickly access those pictures that I know I want to put into this particular file. I can select what I want, and then I can start making my beautiful collage. So that's just a quick little Google Photos hack for you for how to use albums to create some cool things in other Google files a lot more quickly.